Nextimage lets you optimize for speed or quality. To get started, go to Scan and select Options. Choose Optimize for Speed if you need faster scanning. This scans each line once and outputs images in 824-bit format. For better results, select Optimize for Quality and change exposures per line to, for example, 4. This reduces image noise and ensures accurate colors by scanning each line multiple times. Note that this option will slow down the scanning. With Optimize for Quality selected, you also get the output option to save images in 1648-bit as PNG or TIFF files. If you do not need additional image noise reduction, you should set exposures per line to 1 to keep the scanning time short. Use the FAGI 3-star preset to ensure all features and settings meet FAGI compliance standards.